Hello, my friends. My name is Kenan, and today we'll talk about job vacancies for software engineers, for software developers. And in this video, I will share with you my top favorite websites for software developers. And at the end of the video, I will share my top 3 profile websites. In my opinion, every developer should have if they want to be successful for jobs. So let's start. Our first website is a LinkedIn, of course, because it's a very big website. They have a lot of companies. And because of that, they have a lot of job vacancies. For example, if you want to find a job for Python in, let's say, New York, for example, New York, and you can see we have a lot of jobs, and you can also filter by company, you can filter by date and job type and etc. So I think it's very useful. I like LinkedIn because they have really very big database of jobs. The only point that if you want to be successful in this website, you have to have very good profile. You have to prepare your profile. You have to register, add your image, add your experience. It will be very valuable if you have recommendations, etc., etc. Endorsements, for example, they have very good endorsement system. I have my profile probably for about maybe 6 or 7 years. I use it a lot. So if you want to find a job, LinkedIn is probably must have. So our next website is very similar to LinkedIn. It's called Indeed.com. This website is more focused on jobs. And I'd say that it's for some kind of Google for job vacancies. And they have very similar user interface. You search, you specify your location, and you can filter by different criteria. But one thing I don't like about this website is they have different sub-websites for each country. For example, if you are looking for jobs in United States, you have to go to Indeed.com. If it is Germany, you have to go to de.indeed.com. If it's, for example, in Netherlands, you need to go to Indeed.nl. When you are from one country and you are looking for jobs in 3 other countries, it is very useful when you have everything in one website. So yeah, but I think you should try it because they also have a very big database of job vacancies. For example, let's search for Python jobs in Amsterdam, and yeah, you can see that it is 977, but let's compare them. In LinkedIn it's 1,900 jobs. So you see the difference, but I think if you really want to find a job, you have to try a few websites because you will have different vacancies, different companies working with different websites. So our third website is Honeypot. It is more service-like than just database of jobs. And they have different approach. In this website, you have to first create your profile, then you have to complete their screening. They will give you assignments, they will give you coding tasks, and if you did really good, they will publish your profile. And after that, companies will make your offer. So you are making your profile, you are completing screening, assignment, and after that, companies will hunt for you. So it's the other ways around. So I think it's a good model if you have really good technical background. You can prove on this website, and then you will get at least few offers from this website. So I really recommend this website because it's really good model for software engineers. So our next website, maybe you don't know about this because first 3 websites they are really very popular, but so relocate.me, it's quite new, it's quite small, but I really like this website because they at some point they can work with you individually. So you have profile, you are looking for jobs in for example in these countries. And they can, and you have profile on this website, so you apply your CV. And at some point you can ask them, I think it's paid service, but you can ask them to verify, to check your CV. And after that, they will give you advices how you can improve your CV, make it more valuable for companies. So check this website as well. So we can do a search, for example, Python, and again, let's do it in Netherlands. And the Netherlands. Yeah, they will have few options. Yeah, only 2 in our case. They specify that this company, they offer advanced relocation package. And after that, you can go to, check details. And you can use this apply, or you can directly go to website of the company and then apply through their website. But what I like that they work with all people individually. They can help you. My last 3 websites, as I said, they will be more for developers, for engineers, and you most probably know them, but maybe you don't know about that they also have some jobs. They have a sub website for careers, for jobs. And first of them is Stack Overflow. It's a very popular website. You most probably know about it, but they also have stackoverflow.com jobs. And I think if you have good profile, good account, by good I mean that you ask questions on this website, you answer questions, which is very valuable. You get points. You can check this website because when you apply, I think most of the companies, they check your profile in this website. For example, let's check again, Python Amsterdam. And we have 41 results. But here you also see that they do sponsor. For example, these companies, they do sponsorship, they do visa sponsor. So if your goal is relocate from one country to another country, it is very, very, very useful, because some companies, they don't offer relocations, they don't offer visa sponsorship. So if you know that they do, you can apply and you have high chances to get hired or to get offer. Our next is GitHub Jobs. You probably know about GitHub. And in this website, you also can search for jobs. And especially if you do a lot of open source activity, you have your GitHub account, GitHub profile, and you have repositories, projects. I highly recommend this website because they have very interesting jobs. And also, yeah, it's small amount. Let's see again. Let's check Netherlands. They don't show your options. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, it's small, but I think if you really have good GitHub account, you should try this one as well. And our last website is angel.co. Maybe you don't know about it. It is a website for list of startups. You can find different kind of startups and you can apply to them. For example, let's check. You have to register. I think you can test this search by yourself, but I want to just check. For example, let's check by company. And if you go to company's profile, you will see jobs. Let's see, will they show to me? Yeah, you will see information about the company. You can find information about their investors, how they do as a startup. And also you can check their jobs and job openings. And also you can apply with your profile, with your Angel CO profile. So if you are interested in startups, you can check this website because they really have a very big list of startups. I think that's it for our video. Please let me know which websites you use for jobs, for software engineering jobs. And thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.